Want watermark-free AI avatar videos for free? Watch this. In 60 seconds I'll show the exact Google Vids settings to remove watermarks and export clean videos. First, open Google Vids and sign in with your Google account. Create a new project, click Upload, and add your AI avatar video or audio. Choose a template, set the duration, and drop your avatar onto the timeline. Now zoom into the right-hand settings panel to find branding and watermark options. Toggle off the watermark or branding switch. This is the crucial step. Open Export, select MP4, choose High Quality, and disable any Include Platform Watermark option. Preview your video, scrub the timeline, and confirm no watermark appears on any frame. Click Export, wait for rendering, and download your watermark-free file. If a watermark remains, clear your cache, re-export, or remove third-party overlays from project assets. That's it. Clean AI avatar videos for free. Try it now and share your results. Subscribe for more tips.